Guys, did you know that you can use AI to change your clothes? How cool is that? No, guys, welcome back to Learn AI. I'm Andrew, and in this video, I'm going to share with you a free AI tool that you can use to change your clothes. Yes, you get that right. So, with all that said, guys, let's head over to the website. So, open up your browser and head over to vidnose.com. And guys, Vidnose comes with a ton of different free AI tools that you can use. Have a look at the galore of tools that you can choose. Now we're going to choose the one that says AI Clothes Changer. So you want to select that, guys, and here what you want to do is to basically upload the photo that you want to change, right? So let me go ahead and find a photo on my computer here. So let's take, for example, this photo here of this lady, right? So it's going to upload a lady in her clothes. And once this photo is uploaded, as you can see here, she's in a, nice, decent enough clothes, right? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to change, for example, her pants. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and choose, for example, the bottom or the pants. So I will select pants, and then I'm going to choose a different pants here. So you should have this one and this one. So let's go ahead and choose, for example, this pants here. So I'm going to select this jeans, and I'm going to simply click and change now, and just wait a couple of seconds for the AI to do its thing. Now, as you can see, it's about 5% here, so we will just need to be patient. It jumps to about 40%, and let's wait for AI to do its thing. You're gonna see how incredible, crazy this AI tool is. So let's wait for a couple of seconds more, and we should see the difference here. And there you have it, guys. Have a look at that. How cool is that? No, you tell me, how cool is that? We changed the clothes. No, once you're ready, guys, and you're satisfied, you want to click and download. No, I want to mention this to you that in order for you to not have the watermark, you will definitely need to get the VidNews, one of those VidNews subscription. But if you don't mind and you just want to test out those AI tools, you can easily do so. No, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my downloads folder here and show you the before and after picture. So this was the before photo, as you can see, and this is the after photo, as you can see here. Now have a look at that. Her pants is changed. How amazing is that? So if you want to get crazy with your photos and do whatever you want, then guys, I'm telling you, you can do this with this tool. Now I want to show you one of the most amazing thing about this tool is that you don't have to choose from these clothes. You can literally find a clothes that you want online. So you can find whatever you need and you can upload this photo of the clothes. Now, I don't have any specific clothes right now, but if I want, I can simply click and upload and find, for example, the clothes that I want. So let's say the clothes was, for example, the same image, right? I can simply click and upload, and you will see that it's going to upload the picture for me here. And as you can see, it takes the picture. So if you want to put yourself in a specific suit, right, or clothes that you want to put a top or a bottom or hat or whatever it might be, you can easily go ahead and do so. And you know what, we can put it to the test. So I'm going to prove this to you. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply type, for example, beanie, right? So I'm going to type, for example, beanie. Maybe that spelling is not correct, but you get the idea. And let's choose, for example, this beanie here, right? I need to find a beanie PNG. So let's find something that does not have any background to it. So let's take, yeah, we can take this, right? So is this a PNG image? Maybe I need something with a PNG, or it doesn't really matter, guys. Yeah, maybe this one. So let's go ahead and save this image here, right? I'm gonna save this, right? This is only for the purpose of, making this tutorial. So let's say this is my image. I'm gonna go ahead and upload this beanie here to this whole style here, and you will see that it takes the beanie. Now I can go here and I can choose, for example, does it give me hat or something? I assembles, I'm not sure which one, but maybe oh, this is gonna be a top, so maybe I need to, I'm not sure exactly which one, to be honest, it's going to take. So maybe let me find, for example, jacket, female, for example, right? Female jacket, female jacket, right? Let's remove that. I don't know why it says pocket, but let's see. So you find something and I can do, for example, PNG. I like to use the PNG images because it's much better, right, to actually get it. So let's say I want to give her this leather jacket here. Let me go ahead and save this. And there you see that I download the PNG for that jacket. No, all I have to do is just upload this jacket again, guys. Right? And you can see that I now have the jacket. So once I select this jacket and I choose, for example, the top, as you can see here, let me go ahead and choose the top, and I simply click change, you will see that it's gonna change the jacket for me. So you can do this for whichever clothes that you want. So you need to find your outfit. You can do a top, you can do a bottom. You have those different options there that you can choose from, and you can literally change the clothes that you're wearing. So I'm gonna put this to the test in real time. As you can see here, I've showed you how to change, and you can see, have a look at that. How cool. This girl now has the new jacket here that I put her in. Amazing stuff here, guys. So with that said, guys, thank you guys for watching. Give this video a like. Go ahead and check out this guy's VidNose free AI clothes changer. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.